Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In this video, we will learn how to fix the Windows 10 error code 0xc000021a. So let's begin. To fix this issue, you need to access the Startup Repair options. If you cannot reach this screen directly, here's what you can do: restart your computer, and as soon as the Windows logo appears, force a restart. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times, and eventually, your system will boot into the Advanced Startup menu. Once you are on this screen, click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, followed by Advanced Options again, and finally click on Command Prompt. Now choose your account. In my case, I don't have a password, so I'll just click Continue. Here we are in the command prompt. First, we need to switch to the drive where Windows is installed. Usually, it's the C drive, but let's confirm. Type C and press Enter. Then type dir and check the files. If you don't see Windows-related folders, it means Windows is not installed on this drive. In my case, nothing appeared on C, so I switched to the D drive by typing D and pressing Enter. Then I typed dir again, and here we can clearly see folders like Program, Files and Windows, which confirms this is the correct directory. Now, from this directory, type the following command: dism/image laughingface : /cleanup image / revert pending actions. This command uses the deployment image servicing and management tool to clean up pending actions that may be causing the issue. Remember, if your Windows is on a different drive, replace D with the correct letter. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, type Exit and close the command prompt. Go back to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and again open Command Prompt. Navigate to the drive where Windows is installed, then type check disk/f/r and press Enter. If it asks, type Y and press Enter. This command will scan and fix any disk errors. It may take some time, so be patient. After this, the next step is to run the system file checker. sfc/scan now and hit Enter. This will check for any corrupted system files and repair them. Again, this may take a while, so wait until the process is complete. Once it's finished, close the command prompt, go back to the options, and click on Continue to exit and restart into Windows 10. Your system should now start without the error. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.